Alright, welcome. My name's Brian Roschetzky. Thank you for watching. This is my kind of live videos what I do is I kind of go through the stock market each morning and I kind of just record myself a mental note for later on, and also I like to chat and see what kind of collective we can get. Every now and then we get some great comments in the feed and we'll start with a great conversation and put our heads together. If you have any stocks that you want to follow, let me know. We'll throw up stock here that you are interested in and go from there, because we don't want to look at Tesla all day, do we? We maybe some of us could, but maybe not all of us. But yeah, I got my come here, Coda. Come here. Got my old Dogecoin. Maybe I'll buy some Dogecoin right now. Come here, baby. Come here. He's a little baby in the morning. Yeah, he's a good boy. He looks just like Dogecoin, huh? He had some chewing to say. Dogecoin dog. Alright. You can go now, Coda. He's a good dog. Alright, let's see what the stock market's doing. Looks like Tesla's starting it off, going down to 690. And I don't think I'm going to play around today like I was yesterday and the day before. Kind of all buyed out. So I think my plan for today is to wait till the very end and just see. Unless for some crazy reason it just skyrockets. And then maybe I'll buy a little bit more. But it's Thursday. I kind of said earlier in the week, if you go back through my previous videos, I did predict that this may happen, that we may see a steady actual kind of downslide through this week. But I guess now if you look at it, and let's check the weekly chart, we're definitely going up for the week. The last bottom looks about 546, and then the next bottom 159, and then 162, and then the next bottom 658, 662, 668. So we'll see. I think that's going to be our threshold here, 658. If we see it go anywhere under maybe 658, then I think that'll be where we'll see some maybe pullback there. Good morning. Good morning. Hey, good morning. Jasper, how you doing today? Good morning. They got the bridge crane up at Giga Texas. Oh, man. So what are we seeing? Another Giga Press come in? Man, I wish I was there. Missing out. I promise I'll be back soon, though. Good morning. Where are you from, Jasper? Where are you at? All right. Tesla's still going down. 688, coming back a little. See where the rest of the market's at. Minnesota, nice. Probably still nice and cold up there, because it's already kind of warming up down here. It's been actually warm, humid, and cloudy and kind of rainy down here, so it's going to be like that for a while. Maybe they're anticipating doing a lot of work underneath the covered areas at Giga Texas in the rain. Now that they have areas out of the weather, maybe they can kind of work more on those when the weather's bad. Ooh, FPV turned around. Or FPI, sorry. Steady going up. I've been selling off all of my farmland partner positions. and I think I might do more just to get rid of it. But it has been steadily increasing, so that's... I think Farmland Partners is always a great one to get into, guys. It's a nice alternate stock, I feel, from a lot of these other ones that a lot of us have on this channel. Is going to be a lot of EV stocks, battery stocks, new technology stocks, and some of these farmland ones I think are great too. Jasper, today's high was 50 here. Yeah, I think if I popped up the old weather, I think we're gonna have to. I bet we'll see it 80, 80 degrees here. Okay, 70. High of 80. Yep. High of 81. We got some rain coming up later tonight. We had AM showers tomorrow. AM showers on Saturday. Isolated thunderstorms, which a lot of times here in Texas means it hardly even rains. Some isolated thunderstorms day are amazing for photography. So that's some of my favorite days for photography, because you get the sun comes out and you might get like a rainstorm or some dark clouds in the background. That's when you get that good, chance for rainbows, things like that too. So Sunday is going to be a great day. See, that could be a day we can go kayaking or do something great with the kid, and then you might get rained on. That's always fun. Yeah, and it's crazy to think this is like summer weather for you, Jasper. It's like summer weather basically for the north down here right now. That's actually why a lot of people moved to Austin. Everyone loves Austin. Everybody's moving here for the past, I think it's ever since about 2016, 2017, you'd hear like the talk of the town would be like 100 new people move to Austin every single day. Every day, 100 people move here, and it's crazy. It's growing. Just like Elon Musk said, it's going to be the next biggest boom town in America. As soon as those cyber trucks are rolling around, we get some more charging stations. And, all the electric cars, they normally come either to San Francisco or, California or Austin. So we're pretty good on that, too. Let's go back here. Let's see what we got. Ooh. FUV falling like a rock. Is there any news? Any news break on FUV? I don't think so. Uh-oh. Argamoto. This happened 2 days ago. There are no sales. Argamoto has struggled to prove that demands exist for its fun utility vehicle. I do not believe this website. Pops up all the time. Yeah, I want some more info on Argamoto, though, that's for sure. I haven't really heard anything about their sales production or anything like that. I wonder if... actually, I don't think they're on Hypercharts either. Tried to find them on Hypercharts, but I don't think they're on there. Oh, they are on there. Yeah, really just that Roadster debut is all they're really talking about. Oh, that's lame. Revenue was up last quarter, but I wonder what this quarter is next. But it's still down a lot from its highest peak right there. $36. I mean, it's on sale. About half off. Sundial down again. Volkswagen CEO aims to approach pre-crisis levels in 2021. We want to get back to a pre-crisis level in 2021, or at least get close to it, he says. Cody's. He says, we're facing the semiconductor shortage. And we're not done with Corona. So it seems like, you know, as much as anyone says that other automakers are closing the gap, no. If it comes to production, I don't think that's true at all, right? They keep saying that they can't deliver, and none of them have been delivering. And then Ford Mustang starts to deliver, and then they have the recalls. You know, I really like Solo, just not convinced they're gonna sell. Same thing. E-Hang's holding tight up there. $47 for E-Hang. Ooh, Nano Dimensions. Yeah. Nano Dimensions coming back. Highest it got was about 16, 17-ish, and now we're down about $10, which was back to January 15th. So it seems like most of the stock market is about a month behind now. We haven't lost or gained much, honestly. We just had a huge spike, a dip, and we're kind of leveling out right there. Ideanomics coming back. They recently partnered with an electric motorcycle company. What we found out previously, actually, on one of these live chats, either a comment or something got onto that, and I noticed that they partnered with this new electric motorcycle company. I love articles like these, especially whenever I'm investing in something and it's like, oh, maybe this was a bad idea. Yeah, well, they said investing in Tesla was a bad idea. Investing in Ideanomics isn't as terrible an idea as you may have thought. IDEX stock's future success depends on how it spends the $150 million. Ideanomics announced on March 1st that it would sell 150 million of IDEX stocks at a market price through Roth Partners. It's gained about 20% on the news. What the company does with the 150 million will tell investors all they need to know about the holding of the company, electric vehicle distributor, ETF provider's future. Frankly, I really don't care, he says, but seemingly many investors do. So it makes sense to consider what its best uses for the capital would be. Yeah, they're going to consider. I like this, actually. They could buy Berkshire Hathaway stock. I don't know, whatever. Electric vehicles and IDEX stock. So it says the company's mobility segment is its primary revenue generator, with sales from electric vehicles and traditional internal combustion engine vehicles. In Q3 2020, it sold 8.9 million EVs and 1.3 million ICE vehicles. Both were considerably higher than in the same period a year earlier. But it's a long way from the $6.6 billion in revenue EV company BYD generated Q3 2020. More importantly, it generated a profit of $262 million during this quarter. Buffett invested $232 million in the maker of EVs, hybrids, and ICE vehicles in 2008. Today it's worth 30 times that amount. Oh, as I mentioned in the article, BYD, in partnership with China ride-hailing company Didi, sold 2,000 BYD D1 all-electric ride-hailing vehicles to Ideanomics Mobility Group for $35 million. By investing in Berkshire, you get a much safer way to play the electrification of transportation. A purchase $150 million in BRK stock would give it almost 601,000 shares of the holdings. That's pretty interesting. I'm digging this because I've been liking Ideanomics for a while, and what I want to see them bring is that electric tractors as well. And that's what I'm waiting for, is that electric tractor. Let's see what else. Bottom line here, while there is still speculative risk involved in IDEX, if you afford to lose it all, I don't see a problem picking up some shares at current prices. Even better, if its shares fall into the low $3, this is a conclusion I didn't see coming. All right. This is the electric motor company that they invested in just recently. This news came out 2 days ago. Announced acquired 20% of an Italian Energica motor company. Kind of want to look into that motorcycle company real quick. Whoa, these are sick. Look, pounds stay charged. What are they, hanging out with, what's his name? Don't forget, stay charged. The Russian, what's his name? Oh, it's gonna kill me now. From E for Electric. E for Electric. Shout out to E for Electric. If you want to check out a great channel, check out E for Electric. For your source of unbiased EV news. Zero to 100 kilometers in 2.6 seconds. God, this thing is fast. This is the Ego version. That looks sick. Anyone out there who's a motorcycle fan or knows somebody who's a motorcycle fan, definitely show them this. Tell them to check this out. This is sweet. Wonder if you can get these anywhere, or if you can only drive these in Europe. I don't see why not. I don't see why you couldn't bring them here. Alright, well, that's coming back up. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to get 10 more shares. No, that's too much for my power right now. I need to go add more. All right. Fans leveled out now at a low. You know, I've been hearing a lot about how wind is going to be expanding. I think wind power is definitely going to be expanding. I think wind and solar will both be expanding over the next 4 years tremendously, but I feel that wind is going to kind of expand as it is at a slightly faster rate still for now, and then solar is going to take a little bit longer to kind of ramp up. So I've been playing on this just to invest in some wind power. Yeah, I might as well buy a share because it's down. Just added another one of those. Hey, at least everything's green. That makes me feel way better. It's not as fun though. I can't buy. Nano Dimensions. Okay, we went there earlier. Bought one. Again, land. Another land stock with the same kind of trajectory. And I've sold most of them. Still got a dividend. Yeah, sold 4 shares at 1888. See, bad move. Should have held them. But I probably just popped that back into Tesla and in the other shares anyway, so it was all reinvested. So, you know, can't cry over a couple pennies. Oh yeah, charge point. Where's charge point at? Came back a little bit. My average is 34. So I've been pretty scared. I'm down negative 300. My market value's just increased though. God, I'm still under quite a bit though. And we have had some news break on ChargePoint recently. There's been a lot of great news about ChargePoint. If you don't know, ChargePoint has a deal with Polestar 2. You know, I've been trying to find out more about Polestar. I want to know their deliveries and their delivery expectations. Here we go. Here's some news on Polestar, maybe.
This stage is so much more exciting than the last 20 years when designers were busy making things pretty.
Built in lightweight aluminium, it is a cleaner, kinder, more civilized way of moving things around.
Oops. That was crazy. What was that? That was Polestar? Polestar 2 has now been recalled twice in a month. I don't know how old that is. Yeah, that was about a year ago, I guess. Polestar and ChargePoint announced their partnership. That's what I was looking for. Polestar 2 electric car to reach Australia by the end of 2021. God, that's what I'm saying, man. Along with 4 other markets across Asia Pacific: New Zealand, Hong Kong, South Korea, Singapore. New expansion will mean Polestar 2, an all-electric crossover designed by the eponymous Volvo offshoot will be available in 18 countries, including Europe and North America. Yeah, I don't see any. Who's buying these Polestar 2s? Alright, this is that three-wheeled thing. Polestar's RE Move is a three-wheeled electric cargo scooter. The concept is supposed to be a last-mile urban delivery vehicle. What? That's crazy. Yeah, let me know what you think about that. Throw that down in the comments. What do you think of that Polestar? Is now available to test drive in select cities 2 weeks ago. I might try to set up a Polestar test drive. That'd be dope. Subject to availability. Not Austin, Texas. ChargePoint is more charged for investment than rival Blink. That's what I'm talking about. I know I've kind of sold all my Blink stock. I sold my Blink stock for grand gains and then put those all into ChargePoint for losses. So fingers crossed in the long term, hopefully ChargePoint grows more and I get those losses back. And that's the gamble right there. I gambled on it because I believe more in the company that I actually use. There are 1 or 2 Blink stations that I could use here in Austin, but they're at a Walmart, and they're all kind of old and janky, and they actually cost more money, and they're all slow L2 chargers. The reason why I like ChargePoint is because they're rolling out with the fast level 3 DC fast chargers, and I love those, with seamless integrated purchasing. Despite recent deal close, it's too early to buy ChargePoint stock. See, this is the kind of well, this did come out 2 days ago. But if this was talking about right here, some may see the price as the perfect time to buy the dip, yet it may be too early to buy. Yeah. Oh, okay. So this was saying at $23. And right now, on the 11th, ChargePoint's $29. So, yeah. I mean, let's say it goes down. Yeah, well, either way, my average in is 34. So, they all seem like great buys for me. Why investors are selling ChargePoint stock. The role of rising interest rates has played in biggest downward pressure. Okay, other red flags with ChargePoint remain on the table as well. These include headwinds from the novel coronavirus, so that's out of the question. That's not even a reason not to buy the stock. Because eventually people are going to get over it and get outside and charge their electric car. People can charge their electric car either way, where people are going to start driving more. That's going to happen. Possible hiccups from the mass installation of charging stations. Yeah, that's a good feature right there. And competition from not only other charging companies but EV automakers themselves. Yeah, I guess, but I still see them doing a lot of merging and a lot of deals with other automakers, like that seamless integration. If they do one other or two other seamless integration deals, then I would assume ChargePoint's going to just start being like the number one. There has to be like a number one or a number two, I feel, and I don't think it's going to be Electrify America. Interesting, though. Interesting. Oh, here. I'll buy another half a share. That's all I can afford. Right there. Boom. All right. Everything else looks pretty green today. That's good. That's good. Genius is down. My average buy-in is 171 on Genius. Wow, and it's popped up to $8 before. That's crazy. I don't think, man, we may never see that again. They're trading Genius brand stocks trading higher on Wednesday due to a connection with the IPO of Roblox Corporation. A cartoon channel from Genius brand has 2 shows that feature context from Roblox. Big B Roblox Challenges, 25 episodes, and Sally Plays Roblox, 24 episodes. Pretty cool. I actually just got in this because I wanted to support Shaq. Just to be totally honest. And I wanted just something different. You know, why not? Why not? Let's get a little play going on some children's stuff. Let's help out the children. Again, that plays on the same thing. Invest in the future you want to see. Any E-Hang news? I just want to see new E-Hang videos. They're always doing nice plays. Ehang had a turbulent day. It's a drone. It's a drone service, so turbulence. Man. A lot of volatility in Ehang shares right now, and no reason to believe that will change anytime soon, even assuming there is nothing in the Wolfpack report. It is hard to make the case that the company, based on fundamentals, Ehang right now has very little revenue, but is valued by the market at more than $2 billion. The market is valuing the company on its potential, not on its current business. There is nothing wrong with that, but investors need to remember that a lot can go wrong along the way. At best, I'd advise limiting this stock to a small part of a diversified portfolio, with the understanding that although it could go up from here, there is also a lot of room for a fall. Yeah, I agree, and that's exactly what I'm doing. But again, I made a ton. Let me show you again. If you didn't know already, and yeah, maybe this is luck, but I think this is something that has a lot to do with investing in businesses that are going to be the future, right? And so I was buying $14. I bought 2 shares for $14, right? 23, buy 23, buy 21, buy 18, buy 17, buy 25, buy 22, buy 21, buy 20. Sold 1 share for 112. Right? That's what I'm talking about. Now, I could have sworn I sold another share too somewhere along that line, but either way, that's what I'm talking about. So yeah, that's a good one, I think. But I do think this right here, where it's at, I think a lot of these stocks are at like this level where if they drop it all, it's a great buy, right? Because I think that soon all of these EV stocks they're going to reach this new level. Once like the new batteries start shipping, Tesla starts shipping their new batteries, and this like new age where we aren't constrained by this like semiconductor shortage. We're not constrained by the battery shortage. And I think at that point, we're going to see huge takeoffs in a lot of these companies that are pretty much just waiting on those things. They're just waiting for that battery technology to get just slightly better. So I think this is definitely the time. This could be some of the last times to buy these prices. COVID-19 relief bill that did get passed, huh? They passed this landmark 1.9 COVID bill. Oh, finally I'm up on CRISPR. No, I'm still under. I'm still totally under. But hey, it's coming back. That's something I just buy a couple fractions on. Because I do believe that in the long term. Anybody else got CRISPR out there? Let me know what you think about CRISPR. Because I think this is just crazy technology here. Let's get some Shutterstock going real quick while I'm here. Might as well get a little bit of this done. I've had a pretty good day, actually. It looks like the markets of Shutterstock is picking up, which has a lot to do with news articles, has a lot to do with travel and a lot of stuff like that. So I normally also play when this picks up. It's just a good sign overall. And so the other day I was showing how to edit some photos. This time I'm going to go into how I upload them to Shutterstock and keyword them and title them and stuff like that. It's actually, I think, taking a while because of because I'm live streaming. Maybe it's the website. Let me try Getty. Getty's fast. Let's go to Getty. So I did an upload the other day, a bunch of photos that I had previously edited on one of the previous videos. Here's a couple right there. So what I'll do is I'll take these 4 that are all the same. We'll highlight them all. This is going to be Austin. Let's do tech buildings glow at blue hour in North Austin, Texas. Now, I'm not the best title person. I'm not the best titler at all. I don't really honestly know if I'm great or good or anything, but I do it. I just do it. Make sure you do it. That's the main thing. Tech buildings glow at blue hour, North Austin, Texas, and then we'll add USA after sunset with glowing building lights, street views, business, and architecture. All right. Every now and then people tell me, like on Facebook or Instagram, they're like, you don't use commas or punctuations and run-on sentences. And I'm like, dude, seriously? I just treat everything like my stock photo descriptions online. All right, Austin. So what I do here is you want to click on this. Oh, it doesn't work. So what I'll do is I'll do this first. I'll do as many as I can. Keywords are very important. You really got to do these. If you don't do these, you're basically just wasting your entire time on the whole thing. You got to do these. And I go crazy with it because you should. Why not, right? And there's some that you'll learn over the years that can be applied for your general area. And then try to apply that if you do something else in a different area. But like, I know that in Austin, I can use Lone Star, I can use like Town Lake, things like that. I'm not going to use it in this one because it's not in the photo. but there's a lot of other things that could pertain to your city. So it's easy. You want to kind of figure those out. What am I doing? Arc. Okay. Anyways, I gotta stop there because sometimes it's really hard for me to do that. Save it. Just trying. All right. And then you come back. Use their suggestion. Boom, look at that. Their suggestion really works. Famous place, street, travel, cityscape. I'm not going to use car. Tower. All right. And then save that. And then what I do is I'll go back, highlight them all, save it as a template, apply. Boom. Then I go back and you make each one individual, like panoramic views, right? Save, submit. This one. Big tech buildings. There we go. I made it unique. Big tech. Sometimes I also like to do the suggestion again. Road, travel, see. Might pick up some more. Make sure you got them all. Ooh, capital cities. See, that's something I should do on all of them. Capital cities. There we go. And the best part of this is what I try to do is I try to do multiple pictures for each shoot. I didn't really touch on that previously, but you know, any photographer out there that might be watching this and enjoying it, you know, you want to, for stock photos, you want to try to get a bunch. As many as you possibly can, because there's so many out there and you have so much competition that you want, like, instead of just 1, 4. Or instead of 1, do 8. And then just add the word glowing instead of glow. That's good enough for that one. And then this one I'll do a lot differently, like street views. Street views and headlights under tech buildings, right? And then we'll come down there and just copy paste. Lots of copy pasting. Check this one more time, add those. Boom. All right. There we go. And then what I'll do, and this is something that I've learned, that I am literally giving this information away to you people. I'm not going to do this forever. I am only doing this right now because I'm stuck here at home. I can't be giving this type of information away to people. I don't even know how many people are watching right now. Probably not many, but or the reviews. Let's say 200, 300, 400 people watch this. I'm not gonna be doing this forever because this is definitely giving away like bread and butter. And so what I'll do now is, now that I have all my portfolios set up, I have about 4 or 5. I have about 4 main stock agencies that I use: Getty Images, Shutterstock, Big Stock, and Dreamstime. And I'll upload these photos to all of them, because you can do that with stock. You can upload the same photo to multiple stock agency sites. So I'll upload the same photos to all of them. Then I come in here, and then when you upload the first ones, you copy the information. Copy. Go to Shutterstock. And Shutterstock and Getty are my 2 biggest ones. So those are the 2 that I use the most. And those are the 2 that I definitely keep up with the most. I was not wanting to go to Shutterstock for some reason. Seems like they're having some difficulties with their website. Yeah, well, that's no fun. I hate when this happens because I don't want to forget. I already got everything ready. But what I'll do, I don't know why it's not working. But what I'll do is I'll come in here and then I will copy paste all that information straight into there. Let me see, 1 second. I don't know. Everything seems good. Stream health is good. It's just that submit page does not want to load. Come on. Oh well. Maybe I can show you on... Yeah, I didn't upload them yet though. But that's what I would do. If they were uploaded here, I would do the same thing. Just do them from there. This is my big stock. I got $40 waiting for me in big stock. This is my dreams time. $40 waiting for me in dreams time. Normally I get about $100. $100 every month or so. Or maybe every 2 months. I'll get about a $100 payout from dreams time. Same thing with big stock. I'm about halfway there on both of those. Shutterstock, generally speaking, can be... Oh, there it goes, finally. Shutterstock can be anywhere between $100 a month. It's normally not that low anymore. Let's say $200 to $300 a month, up to about, I think my highest paycheck from them is about $1,400 a month, about $1,200 a month for photography. So I really love them. They're great. And these I really need to do, but let's go ahead and finish what I was talking about before while we're at it, because now I have these, this one, this one, this one, and that one. And I have it copy pasted, so I paste, boom. And then there, I just saved myself tons of time. And then now I can do the keywords here, Austin, Texas. There's a couple little tricks. I'm not going to mention it, but if you catch it, go for it. Do it yourself. Big tech, business, tower, North Austin, architecture, blue hour, after sunset, dark. We'll do nighttime. Glowing, glow, city glow. Hey, Cody Bears. I think Cody wants to say hi. Come here. He's such a little baby dog. He is. He's such a little baby dog. He whines. You want to talk? You want to talk? Huh? Are you going to talk, baby? You want to talk? Are you going to cry? Are you going to cry? Are you gonna cry? Poor baby. That's enough. Whew. Poor baby. Poor baby. Poor baby. Okay. That dog's crazy. God, that dog's nuts. Did y'all hear that? God. All right, well, there you go. That's how you edit some photos and upload them so you can make money, right? That's what I want to show people. Same thing with the stock investing. It's the same type of deal. It's a slow investment, and over time, you can grow and build a snowball that can take you from working a 9 to 5, from getting off that 9 to 5, and right there, I have 6,000 photos. So it's something to. You're not going to get 6,000 photos overnight, but ooh, look at that one moving on up. So anyways, so yeah, check it out. I'm going to go ahead and let's go back to the stocks for just a little bit longer, and then we're going to get out of here. I'm going to need to take this dog on a walk. He's freaking out. This is my portfolio in Shutterstock. Look at that fireworks one. This one does really well. I just sold this recently to, I think, a magazine. That one's pretty cool. Predicted quality. Oh, that's new. That's pretty cool. It's an 8 out of 10. What's this one? It doesn't have it. That's interesting. Huh. Predicted quality. What about that one? No. I have so many photos. Kind of blows my mind when I go back and look at some of them. This is a view with the drone from above a condo looking straight down. That's the pool right there. You can see I edited where it's like only the water and the pool is kind of in color. All right, let's get out of here. All right, so we're having we're gonna pull back right there. But it's a little down. Let's see. Is Tesla doing it? Yeah. But before I leave you, I'm going to go ahead. I think this may be a time. Because I'm going to go ahead and add some more in. And then I'm going to buy another fraction of Tesla. Another 0.2. All right, there you go. Just bought right there. 684-ish. So, okay, Coda. All right, everyone out there, have a great day. Don't forget to buy on the dip, sell on the highs. Don't do it the other way around because you'll lose money, and that's not fun. Also, I got links in the description. Feel free to check them out. I got a Cybertruck on order, and I can't wait to go drive that Cybertruck all over the nation. So that's my big plan. We'll be back at Gate, Texas soon. And, yeah, hope everyone has a great day. And let's hope for greens because we need Tesla to get back to 1,000 a share so that I can afford that Cybertruck and then do a whole nationwide trip while we just pump out photos and videos of our adventures. So anyways, everyone have a great day. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit the like, thumbs up, share.